Hi, I'm Dr. Rollin Tabuena. As a physician, I believe that any medical decision, whether for my patients or for myself, should be based on evidence, safety, and realistic expectations. Like many men, I noticed gradual hair thinning over time. It didn't happen overnight though, but eventually I became aware of how it affected my confidence, especially my work as a clinician, lecturer, and a leader. This wasn't about vanity. It was about a feeling of comfortable and confident in my own skin. I approach Hair Restoration Center the same way I approach any medical procedure, with research, proper consultation, and of course caution. I wanted results that were safe, natural looking, and medically sound. That's why I choose Asian Hair Restoration Center Incorporated. They understand the unique characteristics of Asian hair, and they focus on the natural density, proper direction, and age-appropriate hairline. What I appreciated most was their professionalism and transparency. From the initial assessment to the planning, everything was explained to me clearly, and expectations were realistic, something I truly value as a doctor. The procedure itself went smoothly. Using the advanced follicular unit extraction techniques, discomfort and downtime were minimal. Recovery required patience, but over time, I saw gradual and natural improvements. 6 months later, the difference was clear, not in an obvious or exaggerated way, but in a way that felt authentic. I looked more refreshed, and most importantly, I felt more confident and more like myself. This experience reminded me that self-care is not indulgence, it's a responsibility. When we make informed choices for ourselves, it reflects how we care for others as well. I'm sharing my story because hair restoration doesn't need to carry a stigma, especially among professionals. When done properly by a doctor and for the right reasons, it can be positive and empowering experience. For me, Asian Restoration Center Incorporation wasn't about changing who I am. It was about restoring what time had gradually taken with care, precision, and science. Thank you, Dr. Arambulo, as well as the other staff like Bettina, for taking care of me.